Hello everyone, this is Aftab Ahmed with a new live session exclusively brought to you by me for you guys and Muhammad Abdullah. Hi, thank you very much for being with me. Let me uh, okay, the sound of my mobile phone is now turned off. It's on vibration. Okay, guys, I will tell you that this live session will be an informal. Okay, guys, there will be no formalities and stuff like that. We will carry on this live session with a very nice pace. And someone please tell me, can you hear me? And watch the meta trader for screen clearly. Henry, mute well. Thank you very much, and you are welcome. Moses Pradeep Selvin, hi, how are you? Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you very much, Muhammad Faizur Rahman. Thank you. You are welcome. Can someone let me know if the audio is clear or not? Because the fan is turned on in my room. I'm upstairs right now, and there is no air conditioner installed in this room. So the fan may make some noise. And I have told you guys that this is an informal a very friendly live session. So don't hesitate to ask me anything. And Hikru Inc. Hello. Or yes, that's okay. Clear audio. Muhammad Faizur Rahman. Okay. Andre Mutual. Okay. Jamal Beg. Welcome to the live session. And waiting for more users. Till then, guys, hit that thumbs up button because it means a lot to me. And the Mr. Tender, hello, how are you? If you have not subscribed the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and if you don't like the work I do here, later you can unsubscribe as well. Yes, that's it. And for you guys, those who are not in the WhatsApp group, I am quickly typing the WhatsApp number. You can text me from your WhatsApp, and I will add you to the group. I need more members in that group because I like forex traders, and I like forex trading myself. So I want more friends interest. And Hamza Salim. No, you haven't missed anything, Hamza Salim. You haven't missed anything. The proper live session is not started right now. 15 persons are watching the session. Please thumbs up the video, guys. Please, please, please thumbs up this live session. So, how are you guys? How is the trading going on? Any tips you have made in the last couple of weeks? And I'm really sorry, guys, for the past few weeks. My presence in the WhatsApp group was a bit unstable. Sorry for that. Malik Hamza, how are you? Hamza Salim, that's a very nice name. Malik Hamza, I am not regularly seeing you in the group. I think you are sad or whatever. I don't see regularly in the group. The Mr. Tender, can please tell me your name in the WhatsApp group so that I can know. Jamal Beg, very poor market today. Well, let's see why the market was so poor today. Guys, do you remember I have told you here the market is going to reverse a nose north? I have told you dozens of times that this pair going to go long for a longer period of time. And this is a euro dollar pair. Last week it opened with a huge gap to the upside. Lakshman Khan ji, sir, how are you? Muazzam Shafi, hello, hello. Thank you very much for being in this live session. Hi, Aftab ji. Tracer, are you also from the WhatsApp group? How many of you are from the Facebook group, from the Facebook page? And how many of you are not in the Facebook and not in the WhatsApp group, but they are just my subscribers of the channel? Please let me know. 17 people watching right now, just 11 thumbs up, but that's okay, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. So, tell me, Anthony Carlin, okay, how are you? Okay, at the end of this session, I will give you the Facebook link. Okay, I will give you the Facebook link right now. Here is the link. You go and like this page. Make sure to open the link in a new window. Uh, Tracer Din, I have posted the WhatsApp number, but let me copy and paste that again. So this is the WhatsApp number. You can contact me on this number as well. Uh, Salim, yes, I know you, dear. You are my very, very older fan. Uh, since the beginning, you are with me. Thank you very much. Arvind is missing from this session, I guess. So, guys, tell me from where should I start this session? Uh, Dr. N. Symbiomosi, Emosi, if I have pronounced your name correctly. Incorrectly, I'm sorry for that. Okay, you are new here. Yes, I will add you to the WhatsApp group. I have given you the number. Send me a text message here from your WhatsApp. It will be easy for me. Make sure to give me your proper name and your country. Uh, it will help me identify you because I cannot remember numbers, phone numbers, but I can remember the names, so it will be easy for me. Okay, guys, enough talking. Let's go and start this live session properly. So, I want to give you a little recap of the market and what I shared in the last few months. In the last 2 or 3 months, I have shared a lot of things. All the recordings of my live webinars are available in my YouTube channel. You can click on the channel and go to the video section. There you can find a lot of videos. Make sure to watch them one by one. Give me a thumbs up as well. For those of you who are new to my channel, I will tell you that I basically trade the Fibonacci 618 retracement level, and I focus on the daily time frame. Start from the very beginning, and here you can see that at a price level of 1.0536, I gave a signal several times to the day traders, and for the commercial or long-term traders, I gave just one signal, and the long traders booked almost 360 pips, and then I gave a signal, I guess here on this top I gave a signal. It gave you around 250 pips. Then here I gave another signal to the long-term traders, and the reality is in front of you. So to the long-term traders and to the short-term traders, I provided several signals here on this level 8. I told you to go long, and here you can see in just 2 days 140 pips. Then back several days after that I gave another signal, and you guys booked profits. And for those of you who tell me that I set average is really high, so I will tell you that the stop loss is never more the risk to reward profile ratio is not a bad one. And to the short-term traders, I gave a signal to go long on the 618 retracement level. The video is there in the my channel in the videos section. You can find that video. So I gave this signal at the 618 at a price level of 1.0536, and I told them to set their stop losses below this 785 level at around 1.0401, I guess. I don't remember exactly, but it was somewhere below this 785 level. And look at the market, the market never tested that level. So for those of you who asked me that I set a very big stop loss, this is the reality, and this is how I do trading. To the short-term traders, I give various signals here, and on the resistance level as well. Then again, I give a signal here. The reality is in front of you, and I got busy. I quit trading for almost 1 week. Last week I didn't trade. You may know this, but my presence on the WhatsApp group was also very limited, and sorry for that, guys. So this is how I trade. I think I have all the members who are from our WhatsApp group, and they know these things. But if you are new, I can explain this again, the whole setup. And actually, I make a strategy which is based on the RSI, overbought, oversold, along with a Fibonacci 618 retracement on the daily time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame. Everywhere you will see these setups and these things. And sorry guys for the microphone distortion. So let's go, guys, and do some back testing on the 4 hour time frame. I will be using uh, the settings and everything which I use for the daily time frame, but I will give you a little idea that yes, you guys can make money from the ABCD and the 618 Fibonacci retracement level on the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame as well. But today I will be focusing on the 4 hour time frame. In the next live session, I will focus on the hourly time frame. So uh, guys, here you have to help me in terms of interacting. Tell me from which date should I start this back testing. Hamza Salim, stay with me. The forecast session will be at the very end. I am first tuning your minds again for the strategy part, and stay with me. I will do an analysis. This is going to be a very long so stay relaxed with me, and I will do the analysis as well. First of all, guys, tell me if you need the back testing of this strategy, or shall I start from the analysis part? P-com, I don't understand. Where should I add you, please? Please tell me, where should I add you? You send me a message on my WhatsApp group, and unfortunately the mouse is not working properly. Problem. Okay, it's fine now. Pcom, please let me know, where should I add you? Okay, the euro US dollar analysis is so simple. So here is the analysis of the euro dollar. I don't know why the mouse is not responding. I use the trackpad of my laptop. And guys, one more thing. This live session will be most probably be deleted because it is an informal live session. So it may be deleted in after a day or two. Sorry for that. Okay, the euro dollar has completed this three drives pattern, and it started to recover from that previous. I have talked about it in the last live session as well. This is the potential reversal zone for euro dollar. On the daily time frame, I will suggest you, let's say the market is here. If you want to short this market, you will need a double top here, along with some bearish divergence that happens in the next couple of days. You can short the market and aim for almost, let me count that, for this 382 retracement level. This will be your initial target. Calculate the number of pips. It is 173 pips, but set your take profit a little above this, at around 154 or 150 pips. Set your stop loss above this 1.1054 level. 1.1158 will be fair enough. This is one-to-one risk profile. If you lose 150 pips, you will win 150 pips. But guys, you can also set the stop loss a bit low, let's say 50 or 60 pips. But if you set a big stop loss, the chances are that you will win that trade. You need to give the market a little size. um, Last time I gave a signal on the New Zealand Japanese here. I will get back to the euro dollar, but For the sake of an example, I am giving you New Zealand Japanese. I gave a signal at this 618 retracement level, and look, the market went down. So you have to give some room to the price so that the price can move up and down in that level. If your stop loss is pretty much tight, then there is a very likelihood that your trades will end up in losses. And if you are afraid that this amount of stop loss is very huge, you can reduce that by executing a smaller lot size, like the point 0.5, point 0.05, or it depends upon the equity you have in your account. So let's get back to the euro dollar again. This is the first possibility. Actually, it should be the second possibility. The first possibility is the price to reach to this 382 retracement level at 1.1847 level, and go long and aim for almost 161 pips in a quite aggressive way. But if you are less aggressive, then wait for the price to retest this daily time frame, and if that happens, go long, set your stop loss below the 785, and take your profit at the previous resistance level. And you can also aim for the ABCD pattern completion. There are very huge moves on this pair as well. So if you wait for the ABCD pattern completion, that is also very much possible, because there the market will find support and resistance at the same time. Tracer didn't Yes, I will post this webinar on YouTube, but since this is an informal webinar, so I might delete this one after few days. I'm not sure if I will or I will not. But if you guys think this is good, I will leave it there. I will not delete it. Tracer, then please let me know on which platform are you watching this live session right now. Okay, Hamza Salim. Okay, boss. Saw your message right now. Okay. So on the euro dollar, this is for the long-term trader. Let me give you another possibility. Oh my God, this is full of triangles. Let's switch here. So let me open a fresh chart of euro dollar. Okay, this is a new chart of the euro dollar. So I am on the 4 hour time frame, and I highly suggest you to wait for this double top on the 4 hour time frame. If that happens, it will be a very highly probable trading setup, and you will also need a divergence here. But since the RSI level is near this 20, so wait for it to be over 100 here, and then you can go long from this level. Let's measure this move in Fibonacci. Wow, guys, can you see this? Can you see this, guys? Isn't it awesome? Here, the market find a sort of support. It is support. Previous resistance becomes support. You should know this. So market find support here. Uh, you can buy this pair right now. Aim for about 90 pips. Set your stop loss at below this 785 level. Here, actually, this is going to be a very nice setup, but a little aggressive as well, since this is on the 4 hour time frame. Still, it seems a very nice one. And remember, guys, I don't encourage you to trade this setup. I'm just sharing my own opinion with you guys, and I personally trade such setups with my own real account with a very small lot size. I focus on the daily time frame a lot, but it doesn't mean that the strategy will not work on the 4 hour time frame. So here you can see a very nice potential, and actually you can execute a trade here. Set your stop loss at this 1.0894 level, and aim for 90 pips, but you can get 14 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 5 pips, 6 pips. That depends upon you and the lot size you executed. So that totally depend upon you guys. I don't have to do anything with that. But as far as the strategy part is concerned, so this is the highly probable trading strategy. Let's add a little more value to this analysis. Let's delete this Fibonacci so that I can get a clear chart on the daily time frame. You can see the price is going very sharp. Actually, let's see this on the hourly time frame. Wow, guys, look at this on the hourly time frame. Let's, oh my god, the market was ranging here. It was a range based market, and I see something more interesting in this range as well. Stay with me. I will discuss that with you guys as well. I will discuss that with you. Don't worry, guys. It's my personal opinion that this is going to be a very nice entry to go long on the pair for day traders only. Set your stop loss 90 or 100 pips, or depend upon you, but at least if you guys don't get completely 90 or 94 pips, at least it's going to give you 33 or 34 or maybe 35 pips from this trade. So 35 pips on a zero point 0.1 lot size is like $35. So this is a signal, and I am giving it free of cost to you. But in return, guys, you have to thumbs up this video. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe the channel if you are watching this video for the first time. Let me answer to your questions in the comments. So okay, Okay, Hamza Salim, I will post it to YouTube. I will post it, don't worry. Tracer Din, MT4. I didn't get you what you want to ask. If you can, please let me know what you wanna tell me. Tracer Din, it will be easy for me to understand. Because guys, I have to look at various things on the Facebook page right now, on the live stream activity and health, and the WhatsApp page, and there is a lot of things going on. So J832 USD Gemini should be a strong sell. Stay with me. I will catch back that. MD5s, what's the RSI value? Okay, very good question. MD5s, stay with me. Web of Rator 8J832Y. I didn't understand. J832. Web of Rator, I'm going to explain this. Wait with me. Zaman Muhammad, do you any other pair approaching to fib level? Stay with me. This is going to be a very live. This is going to be a very lengthy live session. So stay with me. We'll look into that. But pay complete attention to what I say, so that you can get the most you want from this live session. Mob Eid triple one. No, no, don't use just the ABCD strategy. I think this is the most probable. That's why I share these things with you guys. I use dozens of other things as well, and dozens of other instruments, and I don't want to disclose that right now, but I have one account on which I use this ABCD only for the back testing purposes, and for the reliability of this. I use the trend lines, I use the ranging markets with just the RSI, support and resistance, and there are more. I will discuss them sometime. Okay, so I was talking about this range on the euro dollar. When on Monday the market opened with this gap here, see the RSI was above 80. Okay, I remember one thing. The RSI settings are first of all, go to the parameters, period 5, apply to close. You can choose any color you want, and fixed minimum is 0, fixed maximum is 100, and both the boxes are checked. To the levels, I use level 20 and level 80. You can just double click here and add these levels. Click OK, and the RSI will be set. So here you see the market opened with a gap, RSI to a level of 93. Very nice sell opportunity, but we cannot rely on the RSI alone. Let's zoom the chart a little bit and see if we found something else. Here you see is the resistance. Now let's, here you see at 1.0894 level is the resistance. The price reversed from this level above 80. It was at 86.31 level. Now again here The price is at the previous resistance, although it crossed a little bit, but it can be a something. The RSI is above 80, that can be a very nice opportunity for 85 pips. But if you are a day trader, let's suppose from this RSI over bot, if you could make just 22 or 20 pips, that would be enough. $20 from just the RSI over bot, that's good. Grab your Fibonacci, take it from bottom to top. Since this is a value very shallow uptrend, wait for the 382. Oh my god, where the 382 has gone. Look at this, price is at the 382. If you are an aggressive type of traders, you made almost 127 pips. But let's suppose you just wanted to make 30 or 40 pips. This was a very risky trade if you took it. The RSI that or so you made let's say 30 pips from this move, then you didn't execute any trade. It was an opportunity. The price was at the 382 retracement level, but the RSI was not below the 50 level near this 20, so we didn't got that trade. Again, the price made a higher high. RSI was overbought. You, if you are an aggressive trader, you could short the market. The market went for 92 or 93 pips down. But let's say you are a day trader, you just 20 pips, so you got 20 pips in just 4 hours. That was good. If you are a less aggressive trader, you trade the double tops. Let me zoom in the chart a little bit. It is a double top, this one and this one, along with a bearish divergence. You went short here, and you took, oh my god, I have to delete this Fibonacci. So you get some pips from here as well. The RSI got below 20 again. Opportunity to go long for day traders, made 20 to 25 pips without any loss. Closed the trade, wait for another opportunity. Trade is here again near this 20, but since it is not completely oversold, so you didn't get this trade. Here RSI becomes overbought. Nice opportunity to sell. You sold it here. Market went 9 pips against you. Went down for 54 pips. But let's say you get just 20 pips in the next hour. Now again you are waiting for the RSI to get down below this 20 level, but it did not. You were bought again, another nice opportunity. You aimed for 20 pips, and you see the price went down without going against you. This thing goes on and on and on. So the RSI alone is so much powerful, guys, on the hourly. And if you are a day trader, I strongly suggest you to open a demo account and apply these things and see the results. I guys, on the weekends, whenever I am free, I do these back testing, and These back testing and the ideas that I gave you, I didn't personally executed these trades because I'm not free to trade these things. I'm not a day trader nowadays. I focus on the daily time frame, but I'm just giving you an idea that yes, it can be a possibility. Open your minds, guys. Open your minds. Look at every aspect of the market. Understand the price action, the support and resistance, the RSI. And this is so much simple, guys. This is very simple. So enough about the backtesting and the euro dollar. I hope you guys have you may have get an idea to some level. And for the euro dollar, I told you to go long, stop loss somewhere below that 785 level at 1.0494 or somewhere. If you want to take less risk, go long and close the trade at around 1.0964 level. Take 6 pips of profit. But if it gives you 30 or 25 pips, close the trade, it's okay. You can take your profit at the previous support level. And if you get 25 pips, it's okay, guys. If you earn 25 or 20 pips from one trade, it's okay. You are a day traders. You can execute multiple trades, and definitely you will lose some trades, but at the end of the day, you will be in profit. And I strongly suggest you to consider these RSI settings and the Forex trading. So I think that was enough about the euro dollar. Now I'm going to check your comments, and after that I will move on to the US dollar Japanese um, analysis. Mid fires, what's the RSI value? There I have told you the I have showed you the RSI values in detail. Webav Rathore, you are telling to J832, you are asking him that why the US dollar Japanese is going to be a strong sell. So stay with me. I'm going to talk about it in detail if it is really a good sell signal or not. Zaman Muhammad, do you any other pair approaching to fib level? Stay with me. Zaman Muhammad, we are going to analyze various pairs today. Mob Eid, are you using only? I have answered you. Pcom, can you kindly check your mic? I can't hear you from this side. Hey guys, can someone tell me if you guys can listen me properly? I am waiting for your response. Can you guys listen me properly? Hey everyone, are you with me guys? Can you listen me properly? Okay, PCOM, please check your internet connection and some other settings. With others, the sound and the video is okay. So, guys, did you get my point? What I wanted to convey? What message I wanted to tell you? Toha Suleiman. Okay, Toha Suleiman. Very nice name. For those of you who have not subscribed the channel and watching this live stream, please click that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. It means a lot to me. And guys, just give me 1 minute. I'm going to take a 1 minute water break. Stay with me. I will be right back. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Let me take another sip of water. It's almost 40 degrees Celsius here. I like this live webinar and live session. And thanks to YouTube who introduced this unique and best feature. I personally like it because if I make a video, it will take a lot of time. I will first record a video, then I will edit it, then I will render it, then I will remove the mistakes and all of that stuff. But in the live recording, everyone know that this is live and mistakes and errors are expected. So no one mind that because everyone know this is a live session. So, okay, Jamal Beg said, what pattern to follow if ABCD pattern finished? Very nice question. Very nice question. If the ABCD pattern is completed, you can counter trend. By counter trend, I mean, let's say here, this is an ABCD pattern. A, B, and D. So if the ABCD pattern is completed, then look for sell opportunities. This is so simple. I gave a signal here on the basis of the previous resistance level. This resistance level also acted to be a support level in the past. Let's go back further. Support level in the past again. Some ranging and support. Once the ABCD pattern is completed, look at this level and see if this is a strong level or not. If it did, then look for the RSI. If the RSI is not, and on top of that, if you get a signal like this, short the market. When the ABCD pattern is completed, the best thing you can do is look for short opportunities. And where will you take your profits? You can measure the C to D leg of the move. Take profit at the 382 level, and you can also take the profit at the 618 retracement level. This is the best thing you can do when the ABCD pattern is completed. I hope it's solved. Jamal Beg, you got my point, what I said. Andre Mutual, sell any view on pound Japanese. Stay with me. I will look this pair. But before that, I'm going to look the US dollar Japanese J832 that it's going to be a strong sell. So let's see the USD Japanese. Where is the USD Japanese? There it is. Well, on the daily time frame, I think right now it's not going to be a nice sell on the trend has no indication for strong sell opportunity. But let's move on to the 4 hour time frame and see. It can be a nice sell opportunity, but there is one condition, there is one factor, and that is if this current candle you see, if it closes below 113.05, then it's going to be a double top. If the current candle closed above 113.02, then there is no sell opportunity here. But if the current candle closes below or on this level, and the RSI and the next candle opened and the RSI is somewhere like this or this, it's a divergence and it's a nice sell opportunity. Measure this leg of the move and you can get at least almost 66 pips very easily from this trading setup, or 130 pips as well. And if you open two trades you can get 200 pips from this, but it is a conditional type of trading setup. I will update you about it in my WhatsApp group, so don't worry about that. I will update you if it's going to be a nice sell opportunity or not. Okay, Henry Mutual, any view on pound Japanese? Okay, Jamal Beg. Okay, that's good. Feel free to ask anything, anytime, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, in the comment sections of this channel, on Skype, everywhere. You can ask me anything. Most welcome every time, all the time. So, Henry Mutual say pound Japanese. Let's go and see. I have to search pound Japanese. Here we go. You have to tell Henry Mute well. Mitwell, tell me you are a day trader or a scalper or which type of trader, how many pips you want. But let's see this pair in my own style. If I tell you honestly, I will not execute this any trade on this pair. I will be looking for a price level of 147.35, and if the price reaches there, think to short the market or not. But suppose if you are a day trader, it's so it's going up so fast. Well, according to me, I will personally suggest you to don't sell this pair right now. I will tell you to wait. we can assume that this is going to be an A to B. This is just an assumption. Further up, it doesn't mean, but if it stopped here from A to B, you drag your Fibonacci to this 618 retracement level, which is the previous support level as well. And at this level, if the RSI is below 20, you can very easily go long, close the trade at 146.85 level. If you want an aggressive type of entry, then I will suggest you to wait for 146.52. At that time the RSI is above 20 level, you short the market and get around 50 or 60 pips. Set your stop losses somewhere at 147.12 level, and that's going to be a nice okay, that's going to be a very nice setup. uh, uh, Tegu Tegu Gunavan. I hope I have pronounced your name correctly. Shorted Euro US dollar 8 hours ago. Let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So if you shorted 8 hours ago, if you are a day trader, close the trade. If you want to leave this trade for more days, that's good as well. There is a lot of opportunities and pips waiting there for you. If the RSI on the daily time frame gets below this 20 or near this 20 level, think about it, and then you can close the trade as well. Okay guys, one request, please thumbs up this video. I just got 18 thumbs ups right now. Okay, Euro Japanese pair. Jamal Beg asked to check Euro Japanese pair. Okay, I will check it. Don't worry. Which pair was that? Andre Mute. Well, you are welcome. Anytime. Ask me anything. Make sure to send me a message on the WhatsApp number. For those of you who have not uh, been a part of the WhatsApp group, it's the number. Send me a text on this with your name and country. I will add you, and your privacy is my priority, so don't worry about that. Okay, Euro Japanese pair. Euro Japanese, where is that? Here we go. Euro Japanese. Make the screen a little big. Guys, I gave signals here in the market. Uh, let's see the Euro Japanese. Euro Japanese can be a very nice sell. Let's see that on a 4 hour time frame. If you are a day trader, I will suggest you to wait again for this 124.04 level. From this level, short the market. But if the RSI gives you something like this, bearish divergence, if it gives you if it gives you a bearish divergence, then it's going to be a very nice sell opportunity. Go, don't execute a trade right now. Wait for 124.07 level again, and then short this pair. You will get from this trade. Okay, I will take another sip from the water bottle, and guys, I need some suggestions for the WhatsApp group, and sorry, excuse me, for the WhatsApp group, and for this channel. uh, I can do these analysis on regular basis, but I need to educate you guys. I am planning to introduce some live uh, introduce some live trades with you. I want to do live trading sessions. I want to educate you, and I'm actually it was a surprise for you, but I am disclosing this information. I am currently working on a website, my own website. The name of that website is uh, secret right now, but actually I don't know coding and these stuff. Guys, can you see the display clearly? Can you guys see the MetaTrader 4 screen, or you are seeing this uh, me with my son picture? Can you guys see the MetaTrader 4? Okay, I don't know what has gone wrong. Stay with me, guys. Don't go anywhere. Stay with me. Okay, okay, stay with me. I'm going to fix it. I don't know. Okay, can you see this right now? Okay, that's good. Cine Gikpi, welcome, man, after a long time. Okay, that's good. So, actually, I need some suggestions from you. Currently working on a website, and there will be a chat room in that website. You will be able to make a profile in that website as well, and there will be a members section in that website, along with tons and tons of articles each and every day. Plus, I am going to experiment with some other traders. They are professional as well. They will be posting their stuff on the website, and it will be a very nice and good community to help you guys. and it will be free. So I'm busy in that nowadays, and the the profile making section is making a lot of problems for me since I don't know much about it. uh, Swiss franc Japanese. Okay, let me see. Swiss franc Japanese. Let's see. Swiss franc Japanese. Stay with me, guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm on the Swiss franc Japanese on the daily time frame. Well, guys, day traders have missed the opportunity to get 31 pips from the market. The RSI, is near this 50 level at 56.84. But let's see that on a 4 hour time frame if we can find some good opportunities there. Same case here. Wait for the double top like this. Don't short this market right now. Don't short the market on Swiss franc Japanese. Wait for this double top on the basis of RSI if you want to take a long opportunity. Switch back to the hourly time frame, and you can get 50 to 60 pips very easily from this pair. I personally suggest you to wait for this double top if it happens, and then short the market and get your profits in this 382 zone. You can get 27 pips or 50 pips or whatever you like. Set your stop loss somewhere at this 115.07. Let's count that. 87 pips. Don't worry about the huge stop loss because you guys will need to give some room for the price to move up and down in between. Yes, Tracer, then you should wait for the double top. It will be a very nice opportunity to short this market and get good results from this setup. Jamal Beg said, which RSI period are you using? Jamal Beg, I have already showed the settings, but one time more, I use period 5. Fixed minimum is checked and 0, fixed maximum is checked and 100, and the levels are 20 and 80. You just double click here and change the values and click OK. Tracer Din, you are welcome. You are welcome, dear. Okay, let's see the pound Australian dollar. Wow, guys, something very interesting here. On the weekly time frame, it is almost completely above 80. Let's see that. It's 91. It can be a very, very nice level. Guys, if you want some huge pips from the market, wait for the price to touch 1.7584 level, short the market, and you can get a lot of profits from the market. Short the market at 1.7582 level, you can take profit at 382 retracement level at a price of 1.717, 1.7197, which will be 380 pips, but it may take 2 to 3 weeks. It's a long-term opportunity, long-term trading setup. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame and see Fibonacci failure pattern here. Let's move on to the time and see. Uh, I suggest you to wait for 1.784 level. If that happens, short the market, and definitely you will get plenty of pips from this market. Now, one more pair I want to talk about, and that is the US dollar CAD. Here you see, guys, this is an ABCD pattern completion. And when this pattern is completed, what you will need to do is look for this level in the okay, there is not enough data. So this is completed. The RSI is above 80. You can very easily short the market. I said you could, if you want to go short again, wait for this 3758 level, and that depends upon you how much pips you want to get from this. But I suggest to get at least, if you are a long-term trader, wait for 170 pips of profit. If you are a day trader, wait for this double top, short the market, and you can get any amount of pips and profit you want. But I suggest you to, since you are a day trader, do trade multiple times a day. If you get 30 to 40 pips, or maybe even 20 pips will be fine. because if you win 5 trades a day at a 20 pips, so it's 100 pips. And if you trade 22 days a week, so 100 it's 2200 pips of profit. Let's say if you lose some trades, so let's say you lose 50% of the trades, you will have 1100 pips in profit by the end of the month. So that's so awesome. Even 20 pips is enough. 20 pips is enough, guys. And it doesn't mean that you will lose 50% of those winning trades. You may win. And yes, that's it. I will discuss this in detail sometime again in another. Jamal Beg, it is Jamal Beg. This is a US dollar CAD pair, and Mob Eid triple one. Um, I have 3.5 years of experience. The first, I don't count the first year because it was a losing year. Count almost 2 times, no, exactly 2 times. And but I learned a lot of stuff in that one year. I didn't quit. I didn't quit forex trading. I made it a passion, and that's why I am doing these things. Forex trading is my passion. Remember, guys. Okay, guys. Anyone have any new questions? I'm waiting actually for some new users as well. For those of you who want to join my Facebook page, please go to this link. Make sure to open the link in a new window like this page. Pressure din. It's my passion, dear. And I have seen thousands of videos on YouTube out there. Uh, Actually, they present themselves very professional, and you think that okay, this is the man. I will learn a lot of things from him or her. But when you go to his website or his Facebook page, you see the tariff. That person will charge thousands of dollars for just these simple things. Yes, charging money, it's okay up to certain limits, but it doesn't mean you have to charge thousands of dollars from a customer. I mean, 50, $60, that's good. And guys, if I get a chance to travel uh, away from my country, I will give a forex trading certification. At that time, after that, I will be a certified forex trader, and it's my dream. It's my dream. In my country, there is no university or institute that offers forex trading education. But it's my dream that one day I want to become a certified forex trader. And by that, I doesn't mean that I don't know much about forex trading, but I have no certification from any university because in my country there is no university offering such courses. So, if in my life I get a chance to travel abroad, I will definitely do a forex trading certification from a university. That will be so awesome, guys. It looks a dream to me, but maybe someday a day will come that I will be a certified forex trader. And actually, I have some plannings that I will go to uh, UAE in the near future. It will be a visit, but I don't think so. There will be a university offering forex courses or certification. But and guys, one more request. I told you in the beginning that this is going to be an informal live session. So, guys, I want to tell you that please keep me in your prayer, me, my kids, and my whole family. And if you think that I am bringing a positive change in your life, uh, you don't give me anything, just keep me in your prayers and in your well wishes, and that will be a very good deed of you. Yes, that's it. So, any question, guys? Any further questions before I wind up this live session? And today I have seen a very positive feedback from you guys, and I'm pretty much happy that almost the 10 of new viewers came to the live session, and it's a very positive feedback for me. So, if on permanent basis, on a daily basis I get such feedback, I will do these live sessions. uh, I have told it in advance that live session is easy for me because it do not require any editing and any sort of uh, rendering the video and then uploading. Just open the laptop, open MetaTrader, and start talking with the audience. Jamal Beg, you asked that engulfing bar on the USD CAD on the daily time frame. No, dear, not right now. No. It if it close like this, then or wait for this candle to close, the daily candle on the US dollar CAD. Wait for it to close. Then if it closes like this, we can assume it is engulfing. But till now, it is not. Mob Eid Triple One. I am honestly telling you that uh, I rely on forex trading completely. I don't do anything. I I don't do anything in the real world. I mean, I'm not doing any job or whatever. I am involved in the online activities, the forex trading, and there is some more information which I don't want to disclose right now, but I can give you a hint. There are some other income sources for me beside this forex trading, but the main source of income is the forex trading itself, and some other sources like the bitcoins and stuff like that, some freelancing, content creating, and yes, we can rely on the forex markets itself. Say uh, Mob Eid triple one. Can you tell me how many dollar is your maximum uh, monthly expenses? Let's say in your country. Tell me in dollars. Let's say you spend 500 dollars per month, or $1,000 per month is your expense. You can split that on the 20 pips trading setup. If you earn 100, it's like 2200 pips. And on one pip, if you risk $1, you get 2200 pips per month. If you lose 50% of these trades, so at the end of the month you will get 1100 pips. So $1100, and let's say if you get $1100, so that's enough. But you will need a strong account for that. Well, Henry, that's good. Send me a message on WhatsApp. We will talk about it. And it's a little bit off topic, but the Bitcoin is running in somewhere above $1,500 right now. You guys can also trade it. You can trade the Bitcoin as well. Not like the Forex. In the Forex, if it turns against you, you have you will be stopped out. Your account will be closed. But if you trade the Bitcoins, if you buy a Bitcoin, if the value go high, you can sell it. If it turn against you, you will not lose anything. It's about the value. Henry Mutual, thank you very much for the prayers. So guys, anything else can I do for you? Let me take another water sip. Can you guys suggest me a nice webcam of HD quality? Lakshman Khanji sir, thank you. And I think you are from India, so it might be 11:30, 11:20 p.m. I guess. Uh, Mob ID, if you want to earn $1,100, do a okay. Let me. I am going to launch the calculator app, but I don't know if I will be able to share that calculator screen with you. But if I could, it will be so nice. Stay with me, guys. Andre Mutual. Okay. Mob Eid 111. Stay with me. Soon you will be able to see the calculator window. Okay, so you want to earn $1,100. Suppose you execute 5 trades a day with a 50 pips of stop loss, and you win. Uh, wait, Mob ID. This is a very, 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 very tough question, but let's see. On each trade, you will not risk more than 3 2% of your account. So let's start from $1,000. If we get 3% of it, so $30. Um you will execute a trade of 0.50, and your stop loss will be, suppose you have $1 per pip, so 30 pips of stop loss can give you, if it gives you 30 pips, so let's make it this way: 20 pips, and 20 pips take profit. If you win uh, 5 trades a day, if you win 5 trades a day with the 20 with $20, so it's like $100 per day, and you trade 22 days, so it's like $2,200. If you lose half of that, you will be left with $1,100. So even you can start it with the but the more juice the more uh, money you put in this, the better it will be to make more money even. And I will give you a proper calculation on this, a rough idea. Let me get back onto the MetaTrader 4. Uh, can someone tell me if this live session is more than 1 hour and 30 minutes or not? Okay, guys, those who have not thumbs up the video, please the video right now. And Andre Mutual, it's 3 a.m. here in Malaysia. Have a good night, sir, and thank you again. I am still here with you guys. I want to compensate for my absence last week from the group. let me give you an idea about the web WhatsApp. Okay, guys. Well, guys, I think I should wind up this session. I hope from my sound you can judge me that I'm so tired right now, and I will catch back you tomorrow if I receive a positive feedback from your side to do these live sessions. Because I will arrange a very nice webcam. Actually, I have ordered a webcam 2 months ago, but till now it is not delivered. So I claim the money back from that website, and I'm going to purchase it either from the real market here in my country, or maybe I could order it from Amazon. It is the Logitech C930, I guess, Logitech C930. If I get Logitech C920, that will be fine as well. Uh, I have to buy a MacBook as well uh, to do these live streams effectively. So, guys, that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed. For any mistake in this session, I'm really sorry for that. And on this time, if you give me feedback, I will do live stream every day, or maybe I will live stream during the market hours, the London session and the New York session as well. And that's it for now. Keep me in your prayers. Make sure to thumbs up all my videos. It doesn't take much time and it's free. Also thumbs up this video right now, and subscribe this channel, and join the WhatsApp group, like the Facebook page. That's it for now, guys. I am Aftab Ahmed signing off from the live session. Take care of yourself. If it is night time in your country, good night. And if it is an evening time, so good evening. And thank you very much, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye, and happy trading.